Welcome everybody to the Swing Trading Masterclass. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about our $500 swing trading challenge. Because a lot of people think in order to be a successful trader, you need millions of dollars. But no, you need $1 million strategy. That is the key. Strategy over account size. We're going to be doing an update. And by the end of this video, you guys are going to learn this simple strategy that you guys can start implementing in your own swing trading. So hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to take that next step to becoming a swing trader, check out our school. We have private live streams, we have quizzes, lectures, a group chat, everything. It's an 8-week course where I teach people how to properly swing trade. I don't believe in alerts. I don't believe in getting rich quick. I believe in putting in the education, putting in the hours, and then you guys will slowly become a swing trader. Trading, it's not easy. It's not an easy way to get rich quick, but with the right education, you guys can take that next step forward. So guys, let's dive into this $500 swing trading challenge. So this past week here, we are up a little over $1,059, which is incredible. As of right now, at the position we're in, we're up a little over 2%, which is completely fine by all means. A lot of people think that in order to become a trader, you need to have these crazy returns of 100, 200%. You got to double your account every single day. No, we've been doing this challenge for about 3 months and we more than doubled our portfolio, our account, which is awesome. Now, the only thing that's separating me from making more money once you have a good strategy is literally just your account. So the great thing about trading is the profits you make today can be used as leverage tomorrow. It's awesome. And I'm somebody where I love seeing 1, 2, 3% returns and just have that compounded over the course of a year. I think that's what makes up a very, very, very good trader. So let's talk about the trade here. So the stock that we are in on is ticker symbol DX. DX here is a stock that we called out in the group. We called out, and looking at it here, let's just remove all of these here. So what do we notice here? Stock has this nice trend, nice upward trend going from lows at $8, hitting highs at almost $13. So that good trend. Trends are one of the most underutilized thing that traders don't pay any attention to. They expect a stock on a downward trend to magically recover and get buying pressure, when in reality it's just better to go in a position that's getting a lot of buying pressure. But anyways, after we establish the trend here, the next thing here is some sort of support. So the great thing about ticker symbol DX is it had several levels of support. One, you guys can see this good established trend line. Each and every time it hits this line, we've had good tendencies of getting buying pressure. So obviously, looking at this, in a perfect world, you want to buy when the trend hits this line. Now, another thing that I do think is very important here is looking at these moving average lines. You guys can see here we have two lines. We have the blue and the red. The blue is the 90-day moving average line. The red is the 200. The difference between the two is the 200 is going to act as a harder support, harder resistance. So in a perfect world, yes, you would want to buy when it's at the 200 day, but most trades, you can't pick and choose. So you got to kind of be dealt with what's handed to you. So I understand too that we've seen some good tendencies of it using the 90 day in the past. If it didn't have confirmation in the past of support at the 90, we most likely wouldn't have traded it. The next thing here, after we establish that, the supports, and another thing I do want to bring up, the more supports you have, the better off your trade's going to be. So with this stock here, we had the 90-day moving average line and a trend line support, which is important here. So after we establish support, the next thing here is looking at the RSI. The RSI was trading for about a 36, which in normal circumstances is a position that we would kind of not go very heavy into. But what I did here is I drew this out. So I wanted to see the last time it was trading for a 36 was back in here where we had this great move. Previous to that was in here where we had this good move. Previous to that, this move. So I know, okay, a 36 with some stocks could be, okay, maybe we just don't take a trade on it. But with this stock, the last time it was trading at a 36 on the RSI, we've had a great amount of buying pressure. So it kind of incentivates you and understands that there could be a move going forward. So after that here, the next thing here that I want to look at is going to be lower time frame support and risk and reward. So first thing here is, before we take the trade, is risk and reward. So for this stock here, one of the reasons we entered was because it was on this general downward trend, and it actually had this great breakout here. So if we entered on the breakout, which is exactly what we did, we entered about right here, we could keep our stop loss, so the max amount of money we're willing to lose, about right here, and our target would be up at resistance. So the risk and reward is 8.9 to 1, risking $1 to make almost $9 a share, which, guys, that is incredible. That's awesome. So doing this, so now we entered on the breakout. We're keeping our stop as of right now, because the stock has gotten great buying pressure, below this trend line. So if it does dip down, we'll just take our profit. Profit's profit, whether it's $1 or $100 or $1,000. Profit is profit. At the end of the day, the only thing that's separating you from making more money, if you make that dollar, isn't your strategy, it's your account size. So focus on small returns. Don't expect to make $1 billion with the small account, and just start small. Start small, guys. And guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next. And don't forget, check out our school. You guys can use code LEARN to get 50% off. So click that link. I'll see you guys in there, and have a good rest of your day.